Welcome to the investment quiz. Test your investment knowledge. What does the principle of diversification mean? Correct answer. B. Diversification reduces risk. When one asset falls, others can balance the loss. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. What mostly affects investment returns? Correct answer. B. The longer and riskier your investments, the higher the potential returns, but also the chance of loss. What does passive investing mean? Correct answer. B. Passive investors don't try to beat the market, they follow it. The hardest thing about investing is doing nothing. Which strategy focuses on long-term growth? Answer C. This is Warren Buffett's key approach. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. What does risk mean in investing? Correct answer. B. Managing risk is the foundation of consistent profit. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. What is an investment portfolio? Correct answer. B. A portfolio helps balance return potential and risk exposure. Which asset is considered the most reliable in the long run? Correct answer, A. Bonds are a classic tool for conservative investors seeking stability. What should you consider before you start investing? Correct answer, B. Define your goal, saving, retirement, or income, and build a strategy around it. Who is one of the most successful investors of the 20th century? Correct answer. B. Buffett started investing at age 11 and built his wealth on the principle of value investing. What's the most important thing for a beginner investor to remember? Correct answer. B. Even small, consistent investments can lead to financial independence. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing is not a sprint. It's a marathon of patience and reason.